Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BABA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, after another day in the books, not a whole lot to report, assuming you watched the video from Tuesday. If you didn't, then I realize this is all new to you. But if you did watch the video, then the price really respected both of the levels that I talked about, which makes both of these exact same levels just stand out that much more. And when levels stand out that much more, that just means more people are watching them. And when more people are watching them and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have with each of these levels. And the first level that myself included, all sorts of people are going to be watching is that green line right there at the 164.50 mark. Talked about that yesterday, and you can see that once again, this has acted as support. Now, granted, the price did open up below it, but to be fair, very nice bounce. But when that bounce got rejected, and we'll come back to where it got rejected in a second, but notice where it then found support right there. Came back up. When it came back down, surprise, surprise, started to go sideways right above that green line. So the moral of the story there is that there's no such thing as a guarantee, but my point here is that it is more than valid, more than rational to think that if the price goes sideways and then breaks down through that 264.50 mark, that break could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. And at minimum, I don't think anyone would be shocked to see the price then go down there and revisit the lows from today, which were down there at the 261.25 mark. So again, 264.50, definitely a very pivotal level to watch moving forward from the support side of things. And then on the flip side, I made a comment earlier about where did the bounce get rejected? Well, check this out. Bounced off that level, came all the way up here, and got, surprise, surprise, rejected right at that red line. So that means that there's just going to be that many more people watching this level of resistance up here at 272. So again, no such thing as a guarantee, but more than valid to think that if the price could work its way upwards and then get the break of that level, that break very well could create that much more upside buying pressure. So those are going to be the main technical levels to watch moving forward, but let's see how this one plays out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.